Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on here. I'm really excited about this video. I wanted to come and do this for you guys. I know I'm looking a hot mess, but today I did not feel good, and I did get this thing that I want to share with you guys in the mail. So I wanted to just go ahead and film it, and hopefully you guys don't mind my appearance. But I'm super excited because I recently went on to Glamlite, which is a makeup brand, and they did a Black Friday special box. They did one before and I had missed it, but they did another one. I was able to get on and order, and I'm so excited because I've never tried any of their items, and excuse me guys, I wanted to share them with you guys. So let me go ahead and grab the box real quick. This is what the box looks like, of course. Alright guys, sorry about that. So it came like this in this black box, and on top it says Glamlite VIP Box. So it was the VIP box, the Black Friday one. Like I said, there was a previous one before that they did, a few weeks before that. I can't remember the name of it, but it did sell out like in 5 minutes. That box had retailed, I believe, for $45 before tax. This one retailed for $39, I want to say, before tax and shipping. So let's just go ahead and get started because I'm super excited. So when I open the box, the first thing that I see is a gift card. It looks like it says "To you" from the Glamlite team. It's for $10 off. It says, "An extra special thank you for your loyalty and support. We're giving you a $10 gift card to use on anything on our site. To redeem your gift card, simply visit our website at glamlite.com and use code LOYAL10 at checkout." And it does say it expires December 31st, so I for sure will be using that and very excited about that. They have such unique things. If you don't know about the brand, they have like unique palettes and all of that. So the first thing that I see in here is a, it looks like, let's see, I think it's a lip gloss. It's an horchata lip gloss. Look how cute. Super cute. Let's see. I really love their little, you know, concept of things. That's just trash. Okay, so it looks like this. Come on, focus, please. There we go. It's kind of chunky, like a fat one, but and then it has a mirror right here on the opposite side, which is pretty cool. And this is in the color horchata, I'm assuming is the color of it. It says, "Inspired by one of Mexico's most popular and delicious treats, horchata lips is a lustrous cinnamon-colored gloss that will leave your lips looking irresistibly sweet." Super excited. And like I showed you guys the color already. Let's see if it smells like anything. Just has a nice kind of vanilla-y smell. Very pretty. Excited about that. I was hoping to get one of their glosses or lip stains. That's the first thing. The next thing I see, it's in a packaging, and it's this pizza palette. Look how cute this is. Glamlite pizza slice. And it is in packaging, so I'm going to have to rip it open. I'm so excited, you guys. And the one who actually introduced me to Glamlite, she had posted something on her feed, and I saw it, and I believe it was about the first box, and I got really intrigued. Okay, so I initially found this brand through Moment with Chip. That is her YouTube name. I found them. She had posted something on her feed on Instagram, and when I saw it, I therefore went over and followed them and found out about all the information and about their products and all of that. Yeah, so if you guys, I will link her channel down below, as well as her Instagram for you guys. She's awesome. She does a lot of awesome, great looks, and she also uses a lot of color in her looks. So I would definitely link her down below. This one right here looks like this, as I showed you guys on the box. The packaging is so cute. I'm for sure gonna have to keep all of this because, I mean, why not? This is a jean, and this is what the outside of it looks like. And honestly, guys, I'm not a big pizza lover, but my son is. But, I mean, my goodness, look how beautiful. Can you guys see that? It has the, I really don't want to take the cellophane off yet, but I guess I can put it back. They have jalapenos, caramelized onions, yellow peppers. Looks like some of the olives got in there. Garlic, green peppers, basil, spinach. I mean, look how, and it does have a mirror. Look how beautiful that is. I'm so, so excited. I can't wait to use this in some videos coming up here. The box is so, so cute. Very, very cute. Look at this. I mean, you can't beat that. And I got all this for, like I said, $39, but with tax, I think I want to say it was about $45-ish, which was not bad at all. That's the first one. And then it looks like I got a Caribbean Glow Body Luminizer. It is a 60 ml. I'm not really big on body luminizers. I may save this for a giveaway or give it to a friend that I think would use it. Or I may give it a try. This one's in Golden Paradise. I've not really used them, so I'm not sure how to, honestly. But it says it's a luminizer with hydrating and oils for your body. It's infused with 3D shimmer, and it has a Caribbean scent. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very pretty. It might be a little bit too dark for me, but I'll have to try it. If not, I can always pass it along to someone else. I did get these paint splashes, which I believe are lashes. It looks like this. Let's open it and see. I've been like on this lash kick lately, and I have so many lashes now in my collection because I want to start wearing more and more of them. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. So this is how you open it, just like this, and then you see the lashes. So pretty. Again, those are. I'm so excited about, it's saying that they're yellow. That's kind of weird. It says paint splashes. But the lashes are not yellow, so I'm surprised. I'm confused. It says every glam lash is designed and handcrafted with the best quality. And it says yellow on the packaging right here. Do you see that? Very pretty. I also got a quick crease, create the perfect cut crease within seconds. It's one of those, you know, you put it on your eye type thing and it cuts the crease for you. That's interesting. I also got a little magnet that says I love pizza. Very, very cute. Who doesn't love magnets? Oh, and then it says, hey babe, want to save some dinero? Save 15% off when you use Glam15. So another coupon code. You guys are more than welcome to go ahead and use that as well. I don't think it's a one-time, so I'm sure you guys can go on there and use it as well if you wanted to. Again, it's Glam15 right there. And then it has a little card. It says, hey Glam Babes, want to stay up to date with our latest releases, sneak peeks, and secret sales? Basically follow us on Instagram at Glamlite and then also at glamlite.com and subscribe. And then it shows how to use the quickie crease. I might keep this, but I might give it away. I'm not real big. I just kind of do my own cut crease, but we'll see. And then I also got a calligraphy waterproof eyeliner. It looks like this. It's really, really pretty. And I may give this one away too, just because I don't wear a ton of liquid eyeliner. and I'm not really good at it, so we'll see. I might use this, give this in a giveaway. Another pair of lashes. It says Taco Lashes. Super cute. Just opening it up. And it says, indulge in gorgeous, full, and voluminous lashes. Every glam lash is designed and handcrafted with the highest quality. It's really cute because, like, this one says carne asada. Maybe that's the style name, I'm assuming. So, like, the other ones were yellow and these are carne asada, which is so funny. And these are what they look like. So pretty, you guys. I can't even wait to use these. These will definitely be a very pretty lash to wear for Christmas. And look how cute the packaging is. I mean, my goodness. Super, super cute. And then the last thing in the box that I see is my last pizza slice palette. And I don't know, I think the other one is called Veggies. I think that's what that one's called. That one's a veggie one. So cute. And they even have a burger one. They have a taco palette. I mean, if you love bright colors and you love unique stuff, you will definitely love this brand. It's so cute. So the other one was more like your greens and browns. This one looks like, so this is the meat lovers. The other one was a veggie. Ouch. Looks like this. Super cute. Oh wow, so pretty. And then this is what the palette looks like. I know it's kind of hard to see with the cellophane on there. I mean, how pretty is that? And I don't want to do any swatches because I want to do that in a separate video. And I want to do some looks with these. So yeah, guys, that was everything in that box. I just was super excited. I know I'm not put together, but I wanted to share it with you guys because I couldn't wait to get it. But yeah, definitely check them out. I will link down their website below. I will also link down my friend Chip that I told you guys here on YouTube that does awesome looks and introduced me to the brand. I will link her down below as well. Definitely check out her channel. You will not regret it. She is very, very good and does awesome, awesome eye looks. She does tons of reviews on products. And like I said, if you like those real bright and bold looks, she definitely does a lot of those. But yeah, that is going to complete this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. And like I said, I don't think you could get this any longer, but I know they did some more Black Friday deals, so definitely check them out. Don't forget that coupon code, which I will link down below as well. But yeah, this is going to complete this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. And until the next video, I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.